everyone, today I'd like to introduce you to the brand new STR and four-wheel drive performance shock absorber range from Roadsafe. Now, as you all know, Roadsafe have been in the suspension and steering game for over 40 years. So it's a natural evolution that they bring out their own brand of high performance quality shock absorber. Now, in the STR range, these will suit OE applications with a guaranteed fit. And in the four-wheel drive application, these will suit lifted vehicles that comply with NCOP specifications. The Roadsafe four-wheel drive shock absorbers all come with a 3-year, 100,000 kilometre warranty, and they've all been designed and tested right here in Australia. In the four-wheel drive range, you'll have the choice of OE direct replacement, nitrocharge or foam cell. Now, in the case of nitrocharge and foam cell, the shock absorbers come with a bigger body, a higher volume of oil for added performance. For more information on the brand new range of STR and four-wheel drive high performance shock absorbers from Roadsafe, head over to roadsafe.com.au.